Hello guys and welcome to new Altium video tutorials for my channel. In this video I will show you how to create and integrated libraries from your current project. For this, first time you must to open your project. In our case uh, we have this microphone array project which I take it from this demonstration from the GitHub. You can also try it. You can Google it for it. The name is microphone array. You can search it on the GitHub. And for creating a library from your current project, you must left click on the design and go here to make an integrated library. You press click and you must wait a few seconds to generate all the parts. After that you must go to this compile libraries and you must hit again left click and this is our library package, which contains also a PCB lib for the footprints and the schematic lib for the symbols. And now you can check it. Now we have here all the parts that are used in our project. These parts can be used and reused in other libraries and also in other projects. Depends how you want. And we have also here the footprints. As we can see, here are all the footprints that are used in this microphone array project. You have we have here also 3D model imported. Not only the footprint, it's very easy to create libraries from other project, and in this way you can reuse all of the parts from that project in your project. And if you want to install this library, you can install also in your components tab. And now you can reuse it. The component in another project. Thank you. I hope this information is helpful for you, and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.